This just came in from Amazon, and it's replacement vacuum filters for the Dyson system. I have the Dyson version 11, and I'm gonna see if these work as well as the original ones. My biggest problem is I wash the original one, and I have to wait 24 hours before I can vacuum again. Sometimes longer because it didn't fully dry. So I'm hoping that these are good replacements. Instructions on how to put it in. Right, and we're just gonna actually just use one. They look the same. This is the original. I guess it's darker color. On the top, I can't really tell a big difference between the two, except that this is much cleaner now. So I'm hoping this is a good replacement, that it works as well as the original one. The original ones are very expensive, so I'd rather go with try out a no-name brand at a much less cost. And I'll get another two just in case. But for now, I just gonna try this out. I've washed this out many times. This is the V11 vacuum cleaner. So let's put the replacement on. And get it on. It has a okay. It's takes a little work to get it in. It's kind of snug, very snug. But as long as it works, that's all I care about. We'll try it out tomorrow since it's late right now. Seems to be working, but we'll try it out tomorrow. So after a few days, it's been about 4 days of use with this no-name brand filter for the V11 Dyson. I have no complaints. It works very well. It's a tight fit, like I showed you. It was kind of snug to get in, but everything works, no issues whatsoever, and it's nice because it's brand new. So there's no leftover, because you know when you clean this out with water, you don't get everything out. So the buildup is a lot. You know, as you use it, the buildup gets more and more and more. So I'm probably gonna end up buying more of these. But for now, I like them. I have no regrets, and I'm going to buy that brand before they sell out because of the fact that sometimes Amazon products, they're just not available anymore. But I like it. That's just my opinion. Regular guy buys things, tries it out, and lets you know how I feel about them. This is the V11 Dyson. Love this vacuum. Don't love that I have to pay an arm and a leg for the accessories like the needed accessories like the filters. Those things and the parts tend to be very expensive. So I'm really enjoying the filter, and it works. All right, my opinion, take it or leave it. I'm not an expert. I'm just a regular person. Okay, I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.